Hi guys, it's Deb back again, and I've got another scrapbook layout. I am doing one of the sketches from the sketch pack that I sell. I sell a few sketch packs in my shop, and this is from the first one. And I am playing with Paige Evans. I've got a really useful box, so all my Paige Evans is in one. I couldn't tell you what collection is what. So, um, I am roughly laying out what it would look like right there with the sketch, what it would look like if you followed the sketch, but I'm going to change it up a bit. So I am going to add a border, and I've already cut that out, or gutted the border part, and laid my white cardstock on the top. Now, the layout has a lot of squares on it and it was bothering me. I didn't want to distress the edges, so I decided I would stitch around the edge of each of them pattern papers. I also stitch a border on my actual layout, and I am going to change it up to what the sketch says. I think it called for a 4x6, horizontal 4x6. And I'm going to add 2 3x4 photos onto it. I've lost my train of thought. So the sketches, that's what I was going to say. The sketches come with a cutting guide, so you know exactly what size to cut your pattern paper, and it also comes with a placement guide, so you can place your papers and photos to the measurements provided. I didn't follow the placement guides. I roughly got it in the place where it was supposed to be. I wasn't too fussed about that. But they are there if you choose to scrap like that, or if you just need a bit of help. So I've got my 2 3x4 photos, I've got my doily down, I've got my pattern paper down. I wanted to bring in a pop of yellow, so I matted those 2 photos on a bit of yellow pattern paper, and I believe that might have been actually a Vicky Booten pattern paper because I couldn't find the yellow that I wanted in my Paige Evans collection. These are just some fussy cut flowers from one of the pattern papers, and I am going to put them on each corner of the photos and bring that yellow journaling spot down to on the bottom right of that photo there. So it's a photo of my youngest daughter and I on the rock wall at the Seaway. So, and it was very windy, but the ocean was so pretty that day. It was like this turquoise aqua color, and it was just gorgeous, but it was just so windy. But there was no waves crashing up on the rocks, which always disappoints me. I love it when it does that. Uh, so what am I doing? I'm gluing down the flowers, and I'm popping up the very top one on some bun foam. I've got a sunshine acrylic word there. I want to use that as my title. It is my goal to use as much acrylic um, embellishments and enamel dots this year. I've got plenty of other stash that I need to get through, but I am concentrating on that for now. So just popping some leaves in under those floral clusters. Now, with the title, the sketch calls for the title to be on top of the photo. I preferred it underneath because I am going to add another word. I'm going to layer another word on top of that sunshine word. And they were just puffy stickers, excuse me, that were already in title words from Paige Evans. And it's just the word love. I will get my 450 glue and stick down that acrylic piece, and then use the 450 glue to overlap that love word on it. And I'm hoping that it doesn't go anywhere. So I do what else do? I do add some more acrylic actually. I got 3 hearts on here, which I was super happy about. I add some enamel dots, and even though most of that white background is covered, I still felt like it was a little bit stuck to me. So I do some paint splatters, and I just use my Vicky Bouton. Uh, it was those paint pen things that she bought out years ago. Uh, it's like it's got a paintbrush on it, but it's in the shape of a pen, and it's got the ink in the in the barrel. So I used the yellow one of that, and I used one of her crayons for the blue splatters. So, and that just got rid of that starkness that I felt that was there. I mean, it looks fine. Yeah. So, and I think that is all that I do on this layout. I am adding all my journaling this week to all my layouts. So I was saving them so I could just type them all up in one go and do it all in one go. So I will be doing a layout share soon, and you'll see that um, see that soon. My youngest daughter must be texting me. It's that time of day where she wants to go. She wants to be picked up, so she'll be asking, "Where is Dad?" Um, so I'm going to leave it there for this one, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.